Hey everyone, welcome back to Enigmatic, back here with another Trading 212 portfolio update. It's been about 2 weeks since my last update. I figured, you know what, I might as well see what the 2 weeks is like rather than update it every week. Main reason was that not really much happened last week, so I figured I'll save it for this update. Anyway, so yeah, let's just get started. So this week you can see the portfolio is now at £4,881.25p. I've invested £5,727.37p. I'm down £846.12p, that's 14.77%. And I'm just going to go through a few stocks that I have increased positions increased positions. So the first one is AirBoss. I've increased it by a fifth of a share. So now I currently have 4.6 shares. Average price is €62.62p. I'm down £44. That's 17.36%. Hoping for that to go up in the long run. At the moment, I do expect it to go down a little bit further. So when that does happen, I'll probably get to 5 shares in total. Alibaba has seen quite a good. If we look on the week, it did hit a high of 215 per share. So I currently have 2 shares at the moment. Return at the moment is I'm up £8.89p. That's 2.77%. I am expecting. They are expected to do a stock split, so that's 1 share into 8 shares, I think, in July. That's what I've read. So potentially this might turn into 16 shares. Obviously the value won't really change that much, but there is a higher possibility it going up again. But yeah. Alliance of Pharma. No, I don't really want to talk about that one. Aviva, I've increased my position in Aviva, but I increased it around the £2.50 mark, not £2.29. This, I think, is probably quite a good one to increase. So if I do have any spare funds, it'll probably go into Aviva, just to bring that average price down, because at the moment it's at £2.47 and it's currently at £2.29 when it closed on Friday. Currently have 160 shares in that. Barclays is also one that I want to increase my position in, but I want it to fall below 80. Barrett's has been doing quite well this week as well. So if we look on the last week, it is up 36p, about 7%, so it is doing really well. If that falls below £4 again, or even £4.50, I'll probably look at to increase it. Beyond Meat is doing significantly well, there's a significant change anyway. In the last week, it is up 41.39%. That's gone up $31. I currently have half a share. I'm up 75%. I'm up £18.85, which is really good. Really happy with that. Boeing is at 129 now. My average price is at 212. I'm hoping for this to hit $110, and I'll buy like another 2 or 3 shares in that. BP, I'm down £34, that's 23%, which isn't too bad. I've increased my position in BT again, mainly because I sold it on I sold 198 shares on Freetrade, so I'm trying to make that return. I'm trying to basically buy it again for around the same price. On Trading 212, stupidly I did sell it at rock bottom prices, which I'm a bit of a mug for. So I'm hoping for it to hit 114, and I'll probably buy like another 30 or 40 shares just to prop it up a little bit. CSCO is one that I'm actually looking to sell, so when the price is right, I'll be selling that. Cloudflare is not had a great week, to be honest, because it had a high of $27 at the start of the week, and it's just gone down. So I've gone from a return of just over £100 to only 69, which is still good. For me, Cloudflare is a long play, so I'll be holding on to that for a while. Direct Line is down a little bit now. Legal and General, as you know, it went ex-dividend, I think it was on Thursday or Friday, so the share price has dropped quite a lot. So it's dropped from 204 to 186, which I'm not too bothered because I'm still in positive. I'm still up 7%. However, my Freetrade is in the red, so it kind of balances out. I am expecting 12.5p per share, which is about, between both portfolios, I should be expecting about £26 in dividends. Lloyds, again, I'm just going to hold for now, unless it drops even further. If it drops below 27, I'll probably increase to it, but for now, it's just a hold. New River REIT, I've increased my position on this just to try and average down. I've got 295 shares now. I'm down £256. That's 60.19%. That's a lot. So essentially, I'll probably continue to average down in this, and then when it does reach into a positive, I think I'm just going to halve my position straight away, just because I feel like I've got too much invested in that, and it's quite a risky or volatile stock. Persimmon is also doing really well. If we look on the last week, it's up 10%. I've got 2 shares. I'm up £4.94p. That's 12.57%. Twilio is also doing really well. I've got half a share in it, and I'm up 29.97%. That's £10.24p. So it is quite a good company. I use some of their products personally, and it is really good. Uber is up 11%, which is good to see. Twitter is finally in the green, which is also nice to see. I've increased my position in Virgin Money as well, so I'm up to 100 shares. My average price has increased, and it is now at 65p. So essentially, I'll be holding on to this until we get out of COVID, and if it reaches around 150, back to 150 again, I'm just going to halve my position, and then when it hits 180, close the position probably. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. Let me know how your stocks are doing. What are your top risers? What are your top fallers? I'd love to know. Also, what are you currently looking at? Are you looking to add another stock to your portfolio? I'd be keen to know what that stock is and why. Lastly, if you're interested in trying trading 212 or Freetrade, you can use my referral links, which are just above here. And if you want to check out my previous updates, they are here. And yeah, so see you in the next video.